Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lamps, drive-by-wire throttle, fog lamps, front-wheel drive, brake assist, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find security system, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, map lights, child-proof rear door locks, floor mats. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.